I'll show you how to create a transparent watermark in CapCut on your phone. Follow these steps carefully to ensure your watermark is perfectly transparent. You can create a watermark using text in CapCut. Open the app, then proceed to the text section as you can see here. Tap on the text, then select Add Text. In the text box, type what you want as your watermark, like your name or a unique phrase. Carefully. We want to see a watermark, like your name or logo, clearly visible, as you can see here in the design. After typing your name or another phrase, tap the text itself, then select Edit to customize it further, as you can see here. Now let's move to Style and Text. Here, make adjustments to your watermark. Then, revisit this section to ensure everything is set perfectly, as you can see here. Make it slightly transparent, as you can see here. Adjust the transparency level to your liking, ensuring it blends seamlessly. Choose a style as you can see here. Then, add an animation, for example, like this. Carefully. Make sure it looks just right, and then you're all set. As you can see here, this will ensure it's perfect for everyone to view. Now you're ready to say goodbye until next time. See you later, everyone. Bye-bye.